Morning students, we are continuing with the lesson minerals and mining in today's class also. We did introduction of what are minerals and how does the mining process happens in our previous class. So in this class we are going to learn about the Singareni coal fields, how the entire process of mining happens, that is coal is extracted from underground as well as from open cast also, how this coal is extracted. Okay, so in Telangana, as we have learned that Telangana is blessed with so much of mineral resources. So here Singareni Coalfields, that is Singareni Collieries Company Limited. We even knew that Telangana has extensive coal deposits in 4 districts of Peddapalli, Manchiryal, Bhadradri, Adilabad, Jagityal and Jaishankar. Then these mines are operated by Singareni Collieries Company Limited. Initially, it was set up by a private British mining company in 1886. Later, Nizam purchased the company from British in 1920. After independence, the government of India took over this company, and today SCCL is jointly owned by the government of India and the state government of Telangana. SCCL is currently operating with 15 open cast and 35 underground mines in 4 districts of Telangana and employs around 65,000 people. Now, the next slide is on danger and safety measures for the people who are working in these coal fields. It is always a risk to go down the mines as accidents may occur. Sometimes a tunnel may fall down or get flooded by water, or there can be fire and suffocation due to poisonous gases. Elaborate safety arrangements are made to prevent accidents. One need to wear a safety kit before going down into the mine. So here are some of the safety safety instruments which a person can wear before he enters into a mine. Now, inside the mine, so one need to go deep into the earth to get or extract coal from the underground. Okay, so coal is available about 500 feet below the ground level. Sometimes it can be even like 200 to 300 also. To reach the coal layer, one need to go to 200 or 300 feet. Several layers of coal is separated by rock or loose soil, we know that. So after reaching to a 500 feet below the ground level, this coal will be found mostly. Here inside the mine, there are many things found there, like electrical lines, hose pipes carrying water, a narrow rail track on the ground, etc. Once the coal is mined, it is loaded into small wagons which are pulled from where it is taken to the ground level. Yes, blasting the coal. How is this process done? Supervisors will inspect the coal seam and give instructions. What is coal seam? Coal seam is nothing but it's a layer of coal. Layers of coal which are found inside or under the ground is called as coal seam. That coal seam is inspected by the supervisors and they give instructions. Then you see pneumatic air compressor is used to drill the holes, and resin packets are used to keep them in place. These explosives will be set off by an electrical device. Strong rock-like coal is broken so that it can be cut and transported. This entire process is called as blasting. Blasting is really a hazardous process, as sometimes the blast can bring down the entire mine face, causing death to some of the miners. It has to be therefore done with great care and calculation. Now the next process is transporting the coal. So once the coal is mined, coal is transported through conveyor belts. Miners had to physically load the coal into small wagons which carry the coal. Now dump machines load the coal onto the conveyor belts which carry the coal onto the ground level. Then coal is graded and loaded into trucks and railway wagons. Welfare, safety and health checkups for the people who are working in these coal mines. Singareni Collieries, that is SCCL, will provide with quarters, with roads, drinking water and utilization water to its workers. It also gives electricity at nominal charges and also establishes schools and hospitals. When it comes to safety and health checkups, you can see like workers who are working in the SCCL who are exposed to dust and smoke will be affected by black lung disease. It's a form of tuberculosis. So, regular checkups are compulsory for them. Employees under 45 years have to undergo thorough routine checkups for every 5 years. Employees above 45 years have to undergo thorough routine checkups for every 3 years. Minors who are affected with this black lung disease are usually transferred to a different department on the ground. Now the last topic of today is open cast mine at Sattupalli. So Jalgam Vengalrao open cast mine is located in Sattupalli in Khammam district. When coal deposits were discovered at Sattupalli, it was tested by its owner, that is SCCL. Surveys show that coal available under Sattupalli area would last for about 50 years. So 50 years of work they can have. Open cast mining started at Sattupalli in the year 2005. Every day about 10,000 tons of coal is mined and transported from Jalgam Vengalrao open cast mine. Open cast mining is cost effective when compared with underground mining. However, the impacts are not environment friendly. There are about 700 people working in this mine. Of these, 400 are regular and better paid employees and others are contract workers. So children, by now you must have understood how or got some ideas how coal is mined and its impacts on the people and livelihood. While exploiting natural resources, it is essential to think various ways to protect environment. Class task and home assignment for today is complete the given question answers by your subject teacher. Thank you. Have a good day.